How to delete your Facebook account. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to delete your Facebook account. We'll guide you through each step clearly and simply. Let's get started. Step 1. Access settings. First, log into your Facebook account. Once you're in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, look for Accounts Center at the top left corner. Click on it. The Accounts Center is where you manage your connected experiences across meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Step 2. Personal details and control. Now that you're in the Accounts Center, click on Personal Details. Here, you can manage your personal information and settings. Next, look for the option called Account Ownership and Control and click on it. This section is crucial because it allows you to either deactivate or delete your account. Step 3. Delete your account. Under Account Ownership and Control, select Deactivation or Deletion. You'll see two options here: Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Since we're deleting the account, select Delete Account. Click Continue, and when prompted, enter your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your decision. Remember, deleting your account is permanent. If you have any important data, like photos or messages, make sure to download them beforehand. Step 4. Final considerations. If you face any issues or need further information, visit the Facebook Help Center for guidance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your Facebook account. Oh, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.